Hi viewers, in previous video we are given board's theoretical explanation, continuation purpose, problems also here giving. So watch and practice and then sure success in JO and other competitive examinations also. Here if Anshul rose 15 kilometers upstream and 21 kilometers downstream, taking 3 hours each time. Then the speed of the stream is A 1 kilometer per hour, B 2 kilometer per hour, C 1.5 kilometer per hour, D 12 kilometer per hour. So the explanation is rate upstream 15 by 3 kilometers per hour. Rate downstream 21 by 3, that equals to 7 kilometers per hour. Then speed of stream 1 by 2 into 7 minus 5, that equals to 1 kilometer per hour. So rate upstream 15 by 3, that equals to 5. So answer is 1 kilometer per hour, that is A. And next one is a man can row 9 and 1 by 3 kilometer hour in still water and finds that it takes him thrice as much time to row up than as to row down the same distance in the river. The speed of the current is A 3 and 1 by 3 kilometer per hour, B 4 and 2 by 3 kilometer per hour, C 3 and 1 by 9 kilometer per hour, D 14 kilometer per hour. So here given explanation, let speed upstream is x kilometer per hour, then speed downstream equals to 3x kilometer per hour. Speed in still water 1 by 2 into 3x plus x, that equals to 2x kilometer per hour. So 2x equals to 28 by 3 into, that equals to 14 by 3. Speed upstream equals to 14 by 3 kilometer per hour. Speed downstream 14 kilometer per hour. Speed of current 1 by 2 into 14 minus 14 by 3, that equals to 14 by 3 and 2 by 3 kilometer. So the answer is B 4 and 2 by 3 kilometer per hour. And next one is a man rows 750 meters in 675 seconds against the stream and returns in 7.5 minutes. His rowing speed in still water is A 3 km per hour, B 5 km per hour, C 4 km per hour, D 6 km per hour. So here explanation is rate upstream 750 by 675, that equals to 10 by 9 minutes per second. Rate downstream equals to 750 by 450 minutes per second, 5 by 3 minutes per second. Rate in still water 1 by 2 into 10 by 9 plus 5 by 3, that equals to 25 by 18 minutes per second. So 25 by 18 into 18 by 5, that equals to 5 km per hour, that is B answer. And next one is, if a man can swim downstream at 6 km per hour and upstream at 2 km per hour, his speed in still water is A 4 km per hour, B 3 km per hour, C 2 km per hour, D 2.5 km per hour. So speed in still water equals to 1 by 2 into 6 plus 2, that equals to 4 km per hour. A answer. And next one is a motor boat running upstream takes 8 hours 48 minutes to cover a certain distance, while it takes 4 hours to cover the same distance running downstream. What is the ratio between the speed of the boat and speed of the water current respectively? A 4 is to 5, B 8 is to 3, C 5 is to 2, D 2 is to 5. So the explanation is, let the man's rate upstream be x km per hour and that downstream be y km per hour. Then distance covered upstream in 8 hours 48 minutes equals to distance covered downstream in 4 hours. That equals to x into 8 4 by 5 is equal to y into 4. So 44 by 5x equals to 4y. Y equals to 11 by 5x. Required ratio is y plus x by 2 is to y minus x by 2. Then 16x by 5 into 1 by 2 is to 6x by 5 into 1 by 2. That equals to 8 by 5 is to 3 by 5. So 8 is to 3. So the answer is 8 is to 3, B answer. All the best.